students can work together as a community to help solve problems and solve each other's problems.
I would say tutoring because your peers can help you understand things and you work together to figure the problem out.
Be humble and don't be afraid to ask questions so that you don't fall behind.
My recommendation for students is to take their homework seriously and avoid using CalChat, Slader, or various other sources for answers, and to turn in all their homework on time.
I think that resilience definitely helps because even if or when you get a bad grade, just know that you can always improve.
My name is Shiva, and one tip I'd give for any calculus student is to take the free responses Mrs. Cattell gives in class very seriously. They help a lot.
Hi, my name is Alan Hill. One thing that AP students do when they get to calculus is they always try to memorize as much as they can. That'll never work. They're eventually going to forget it. So instead, find out why math is the way it is. Find out why calculus is the way it is. So that when you forget a formula, you can always start somewhere and derive that formula by yourself. So that you can, because that would really help you. Not only in calculus, but in higher math as well.
To pass AB or to be a good student in AB, you have to put on your dedication, which means that you have to do your homework, do extra practice problems, whenever Ms. Cattell has tutoring, you should go to tutoring like every day at least. Like you can miss one or two, but then go like almost every day. You can find a study buddy, which will be really helpful because you have a friend and then you can suffer together. But it's not suffering because if you have a friend, then you're like a community. You're just like, oh, you help me, I help you, and stuff like that, and it's really fun. So yeah, put on dedication, do your own work, don't slack off, and yeah.
Okay, hi, my name's Katie. I'm a college student right now. I'm going to be in my sophomore year, and I took Ms. Cattell's classes for 2 years. I would say that the most helpful thing is to find a study buddy and to make sure that your morale to keep going is supplemented in some way. So I had a friend named Kimberly, and pretty much every day after school we would spend a lot of time just doing calculus homework together. And I remember there was like this one night where like we were doing supplementary problems that weren't required for homework, but she told me, Katie, we're gonna do it. And I was like, no. But she was like, no, you gotta do it, you gotta do it. And I was like, okay. And you know, it's just like 11:30 p.m. and like my energy is being sapped out of my body with each stroke of my pencil, but she was like, you gotta do it. And then we did it. And then that's how I became good at math, and then that's how I did well in this class. So, but of course pushing yourself to work all the time is, you know, it's not really good for your mental health. So it helps a lot to find someone who, you know, shares the same goal as you and will like help you out, and then you can help them out, and then it's like this wonderful symbiotic relationship. So yeah, that's my tip for it.
Hi, my name is Matthew Ho from 2013. I had Ms. Cattell for both AB and BC. What I have to say about calculus is that it definitely teaches you to develop good studying habits and good work ethic, and that's definitely the most important thing if you want to do well in the class. Developing good habits early on, and also not focusing too much on the end result, but on the effort. Because if you put in the right kind of effort, then the results, they'll come naturally. So for everyone who's taking the class, who's worried about calculus, just know that it's not going to be easy, but it's not impossible either. And so I encourage you to really focus again on putting in a good amount of effort and then developing good habits, study habits, and things like that. So good luck to everybody, and don't worry too much.